When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.